Hi guys, Jared Fisher here. Most people know Escape Adventures as a Southwestern US based bike tour company, but a lot of people didn't know that we actually offer trips over in Florida. So quite a few years ago, a good friend of mine, Alan, took me to Florida and he said, hey, you've got to start splicing all these great rails to trails and backcountry routes into a multi-day tour. So that's what we did. I went out there and spent 3 days with my friend Alan in the following video that you're about to watch. So I hope you enjoyed it. Here you go. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video footage and hopefully it has inspired you to get outside, enjoy the beautiful backcountry of the Southwest, Northwest, wherever it may be that you're at. Take your family, take your friends, do whatever it takes to get out and enjoy every moment, because remember, life is a limited time offer. So live your dreams, don't dream your life.